Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome back to Mastering Business Growth. It's been a little while, a few weeks before we have stopped a little bit, took a little hiatus, but we are back to continue on with Mastering Business Growth and learning how to build and scale our business. Hello, I'm Karen Allen. I'm the Chief Program Officer at Groove Asia, and we're going to continue on with this series here. Now, today we're going to dive into one of the most powerful drivers of nowadays. We're going to be using technology. Technology is making it easier and easier for us to do what we do on a daily basis. So learning how to leveraging technology for massive growth. Now, when you are a solopreneur or a small business owner, technology can help you expand faster, operate more efficiently, and make smarter decisions. So we're going to explore that today. So if you're here on the live, put in hashtag live. If you're here on the replay, put in hashtag replay. Love to hear to see those who are tuning in and getting some of this content to help you build and build and scale your business. And if any of this information is helpful to you, actually put a comment too. So what is the role of technology in business expansion? Now, technology isn't just a tool. No, no, no. It's a catalyst. It is the catalyst for growth, like massive growth. It allows businesses to scale operations, reach global markets, improve customer service, and streamline those processes. Now, think about it. Without a solid technological foundation, you're likely just spinning your wheels. And we don't want you to get burnt out because that can be so easy to do as an entrepreneur, especially when you're first starting. So, don't want you to be doing a lot of tasks manually that can easily be automated. And that's the beauty about the whole AI is helping us to do business faster and more efficiently. From e-commerce platforms like GrooveCart to communication tools like Zoom, like we're using, Zoom, which we used to use here at Groove Asia, or even what we're using right now, technology can make your business more efficient and responsive to market demand. Now, let's move into the digital transformation strategies. Things that you can do to get your manual business up to a more automated process and where you can work. We used your digital strategies, you can work remotely almost anywhere. So that takes your business from where it is today to a higher level of efficiency and profitability. So some of the digital transformation strategies is cloud adoption. Now, cloud computing, everybody, when it first came out, the technology, and everyone was saying, just put in the cloud, is in the cloud, is in the cloud. Where is the cloud? What is the cloud? Cloud computing allows you to scale your business seamlessly. That is putting everything online on the internet, in the World Wide Web, the WWW. Now, whether it's managing large data sets or automating backups, cloud technology offers cost effective and secure solutions that can grow as your business grow. Okay, you can both do these. So some examples of cloud computing is Dropbox is one that's ideal for team collaborations. If we're working remotely, people can be anywhere in the world. Here in the Groove Asia, here in the Groove Asia community, we have people who work here in the United States, but also in Malaysia, Japan, New Zealand, France, and France. And we had Canada, we had South Africa, Philippines, Australia, all in one big team. There was a post about that in our Facebook group a couple years ago. But also, so good for storage. Dropbox is good, ideal for team collaboration. Like I said, it offers cloud storage, file sharing, and syncing across devices. Let's say you have a book or something, a piece of information that you're trying to give out to your customers, you can store it in your Dropbox and give them access to that information. If you have a download, a digital download, you want to give out things you can store in your Dropbox. You also have Google Cloud, Zoom. Zoom, if you weren't aware of it before, you should be aware of it now. Since the pandemic, everyone doing their calls, their conferences, and meeting, at least majority of people on Zoom, which is a cloud-based video conferencing tool. That facilitates remote meetings, trainings, and webinars, helping business operate virtually. You got Amazon Web, and if you're doing some accounting, some QuickBooks. QuickBooks is good. It's a good software that automates your invoicing, your bookkeeping, and financial reporting. So that makes it easier to manage finances on the go. That's a great thing to have. Finances on the go. And that's not the only things that are cloud adoption, just having your resources accessible to you wherever you need to be, put it in the cloud or use those resources. We also have mobile integrations as part of the digital transformation. Mobile integrations is great because majority of the people that's online are on their phone. So you need to have your website and your tools that your customers can use, give them accessibility on their phone. Now, with the world rapidly going mobile, it is mobile. Most of the people, like I said, are on their phone. Businesses that aren't mobile optimized are definitely missing out. Now, a responsive website or a mobile app can boost engagement, offering your customers a seamless experience. Think of brands like Uber and both businesses, excuse me, both businesses revolutionized their industry through mobile technology. And some other businesses that have really honed in on that is Shopify Mobile. A Shopify mobile app lets users manage their store, check sales, and handle orders all from their smartphones. They also have the WhatsApp business technology. It's an app for communicating with customers via instant messaging, offering catalog displays, offer order confirmations, and customer support. That's WhatsApp. You also have mobile banking apps. Now that's been wonderful. You could banks like Chase and Bank of America. Those are two really big banks. They offer mobile apps for businesses to handle transactions, check balances, and make payments from anywhere. Now those are not the only two banks who does that. A lot of banks are doing that. In fact, majority of banks do that because again, if you're not mobile optimized, you're definitely missing out. So the third way for this digital transformation to happen or you should consider is AI and machine learning. Not consider, you should be using this now, right now, right now, right now. Artificial intelligence helps businesses automate customer service. Phew. Customer service, marketing, and even sales. Machine learning algorithms can analyze your customer behaviors and preferences. This allowing for more personalized experience. Remember, data. Data is important when you're doing business. You need to know where your customers are going. AI is a great way for you to not have to mull over tables and charts. It can do it for you. Tell Take Netflix for example, and that's not the only way, but take Netflix for example as a case in point. They use machine learning to recommend shows based on your viewing habits, keeping users engaged and driving growth. And that's what AI is really good for, is keeping your customers engaged, to keep them so you can get a good idea of where they're going, where they're thinking, and you can create products and services that is based on that data. You can use chatbots. Chatbots is an AI powered chatbots can handle customer inquiries 24/7. Just imagine they never sleep. Customer has a question 3 in the morning. Well, for you, 3 in the morning. For them, 3 in the afternoon. 3 in the morning. Chatbots can handle questions like that. You got to set them up. Give the chatbot, put all that information in there so that we'll be able to handle those questions. They offer personalized customer services, and it frees you up as the human staff person, where you can offer higher value. Okay, you can do those higher value tasks. and let the chatbots handle some of your um, reoccurring inquiries. And also, we write every day. A lot of us write every day, and we're doing broadcasts. We're writing scripts and things like that. Grammarly's, well, papers. Grammarly's a good way of making sure that you're that you write clearly and effectively by offering grammar style and suggestions in real time. So that's another way that you can use AI. And also OpenAI like ChatGPT and Claude also helps with doing broadcasts, just like this when it comes to ideas and what you're actually going to say. All right. So some case studies. We got tech driven growth. So who has done this? Of course, a lot of companies are using these, but let's go to just to talk about two. Slack. Now, if you're not familiar with Slack, Slack is a collaboration and communication platform designed primarily for teams to communicate efficiently and manage projects in real time. So this is what Slack does. Now, it offers channels, which are organized spaces for specific topics, projects, or teams, where your members can share messages or where you can share messages, files, and collaborate. Now, initially, Slack was built as a communication tool uh, for a game development team. That's what it's built for. Just like Facebook was built for Mark Zuckerberg built Facebook to have a platform for his sisters to communicate, for his sister to communicate. Well, Slack was built was a communication tool for a game development team. Now Slack expanded by leveraging cloud and API technology, becoming an essential tool for remote team collaborations across multiple industries. Now, if you don't know what API means is an application programming interface. And what it is just a set of protocols and tools that allow different software applications to communicate with each other. Okay, that's what API means. So, by using Slack, companies have streamlined internal communications, increase productivity by reducing email overload and confusion. I mean, who likes to go back and forth in the email? Okay, because it can take days. Everyone has a ton of emails they're receiving every single day. Your email can get lost. So, this is some real time communication you can use on the Slack platform. And that's Slack, Slack. Another example is Shopify. Now, Shopify leveraged technology to offer businesses a simple plug and play platform for e commerce. Now, GrooveAsia also has a e commerce platform with GrooveCart if you're doing physical products, and GrooveSell if you're doing digital products, which is super awesome to use. Now, by automating tasks like inventory management and payment processing, Shopify does allow entrepreneurs to focus on what matters most, and that is growing their brand. Today, it's one of the biggest players in the online retail, helping millions of businesses expand globally. Okay, so some of the key points for leveraging technology for growth. What you really need for leveraging. This is what I want you to get. Some essential tools for business growth. Have a CRM system. CRM means customer relationship management. Those tools like HubSpot or Salesforce help businesses keep track of their leads, manage customer interaction, and automate follow-up emails. Groove also has that. Groove Asia platform also has that too. A CRM system where it helps keeps your people in a database, so you can reach out to them on a regular basis and you'll be able to nurture your clients or customers. CRM systems gives you the ability to provide personalized service at scale, which can directly contribute to customer retention and ultimately revenue growth. Who does not want that? Some project management tools, tools like Asana or Trello and Monday.com are indispensable for keeping your team aligned, especially when you're working on multiple projects simultaneously. Project management tools allow you to track progress, assign tasks, and meet those deadlines, assuring that nothing falls through the cracks. You can just write it down. And since we're doing everything remotely, the bulletin board, which I have on my wall, is not available for everyone. So that's why it's good to have those tools like Trello, Asana, or Monday.com so your whole remote team can know where you are. Then you have marketing automation. Platforms like um, GrooveMail, MailChimp, ActiveCampaign, or GrooveFunnels. Well, GrooveMail kind of helps that, but GrooveFunnels allow you to automate your email marketing campaigns, to schedule social media posts, and even track your customer behavior. Marketing automation saves time, reduces human error, and ensures consistent communication with your audience, which is crucial for growth. Okay, you got to nurture. People want to hear from you. Out of sight, out of mind. So make sure that you're communicating with your audience on a regular basis, no matter how regular it is. If you're going to be doing it once a week, then do it once and twice a week so they can schedule or know your people know when to expect to hear from you. Okay, so those are just some of the things are the key leveraging those technology growth. We can automate those business processes. Those were some of the essential tools. Now, how to automate it? How are we going to automate this? Now, one of the best ways to leverage technology for growth is through, we said, and when you automate repetitive tasks, you know, day in, day out, every day, whether it's sending those invoices, excuse me, sending those invoices, scheduling those social media posts, or responding to customer inquiries. Remember, chatbots are good for that. You free up valuable time for yourself and your team. Now, the benefits of automation, it minimizes errors, saves time, and can improve the whole customer service experience. No one wants to wait 12 hours, 12 hours, 24, 48, 72 hours for a response from you. This is a good way to enhance and better those customer service experience. For instance, like in e-commerce, stores that use a tool like ShipNation to automate shipping and inventory management can process more orders without additional manual work. This is that scaling part, okay? It's not no more work, no more space, no more new hires. This is the scale part, okay? ShipNation, Ship Station, Ship Station with an S. Now, some of the tools that can automate your business, tools like Zapier, which can integrate with existing systems to automate your workflows. Just got to get those API keys, okay? From sending automatic welcome emails to alerting your sales team of new leads, automation tools can handle the nitty gritty tasks that don't need human attention. And all in all this automation and using technology is to get the data. So, using data analytics to drive your decision making process. So, in today's data driven world, companies that leverage analytics are those that make smarter decisions. Data offers insights that are crucial to refining your strategy and staying competitive. Now, some of the business and intelligence tools are Google Analytics, Tableau, and Power BI are just a few of the platforms that can help you turn data into actionable insights. Whether it's understanding customer behavior on your website, tracking key performance indicators, those KPIs, or forecasting sales, these tools empower you to make informed decisions, which is so critical when building your business. Now, how data transforms your business is that by tracking customer preferences, marketing trends, and your operational performances, data analytics enables you to pivot your strategy as needed. Okay, if you see a trend coming down and you need to move a different direction, that's what the data is for. For using data, for instance, for using data to analyze which market channels generate the highest ROI, return on investment, that allows you to focus your budget on what's working and eliminate what's not. That's going to save you a lot of money. No need to keep putting money to things that are not working for you. All right, this is great. Tech power growth. Tools. We're leveraging those tools and technology. Hope you are using these tools in order to build and scale your business. Now, Groove Asia has used these tools also. We use a lot of these tools in, but a lot of them are available on the Groove Asia platform. And that is one major tool to make sure you don't have to use all these different APIs to Frankenstein your business together. The Groove Asia platform or the Groove platform has all these tools already on the dashboard for you to use at your convenience. So, by leveraging the right technologies, whether it's a CRM system, automation tools, or data analytics, you can streamline your business, reduce that cost, and drive long term growth. And technology isn't just a supplement to your business, it is a necessity for scaling in today's fast paced digital world. And we're just going even faster. Now, if you're ready to take that next step, start integrating those tools and strategies into your operation. The faster you adapt, the more you'll be able to grow. Now, the cool thing about the Groove Asia and our platform here is that we help you to grow. And we try to offer workshops, events, and tools that will help you do just that. And if you are not aware of the things that are going on in the Groove Asia community, you can go to grooveasia.cm/events. That's grooveasia.cm/events, which will take you to our calendar. Let me turn that on so you can see what's coming up. Now, this is in Malaysia time, so we are right here. We are right here at the Groove Asia Leaders Unite, which would be which is at 10 p.m. Malaysia time, 10 a.m. for me because I'm here on the east coast of the USA. But we're here at 10 p.m. And what's coming up? We had an awesome time last week where Groove Asia had sponsored had hosted the 5 day challenge. The 5 day challenge where we dug deep into Groove Cart, which is our e-commerce platform. But we had so much fun. There was so much information that was given at that time where we needed an extra day. So we're going to be doing this at 8 a.m. on 8 a.m. Tuesday morning. Remember, this is Malaysia time on this calendar. And you can change if you go to the bottom right hand corner to your local time, and then you can get the exact dates and time. But we're going to have it here. It's going to be at 8 a.m. Malaysian time, which is 8 p.m. Monday evening if you live on the east coast of the USA. And we're going to wind this up. Peter is the host, he's the trainer here. So he said, I'll make sure that you have scheduled out about an hour and a half for this 5 day challenge. The last one for Groove Cart that we're going to do on Groove Cart, and we're going to be wrapping it up. If you missed any of the former Groove Cart trainings that we have had of the 5 day challenge last week, you can go to our YouTube channel under the playlist tab and get caught up on the Groove Cart challenge. So that is what's coming up. And then also we have Groove Coaching, another way to help you build and scale your business. If you have any questions about marketing, strategy, online entrepreneurship, the Groove Coaching is the place to be. We have a free 60 minutes. Come with your questions because it is designed to answer your questions. Don't really do a whole lot of training there, not necessarily, but that's the time that we have here to answer your questions. And this Groove Coaching is done on 2 days out of the week. So just look for the pink tab and everything. You just click on it and it will give you the link of how you can register, sign up, how you can join. All right, on any of the events that's happening. We also that's going to be starting again this week is the Groove Asia Power Hour. And the Power Hour is hosted by Tara Hoyt. And that's just a way where you can come in, work with other independent entrepreneurs, get online. It's just a space. If you have a busy day throughout your day, you just need a time to just sit down at your computer and do the work that you need to do or that you need to get done. This is a time that we have cut out and allow for you to come in. You can share a little bit about what you're doing or working on, but you're working independently on your projects. And there's a lot of people who come in here who do their projects building, building, building. I'm talking about from ground zero. They're creating their funnels. We do have some coaches in there, but granted, they too are coming in there to work on their projects. But if you do have a question, there is someone there that can help you. All right. So those are the things that are coming up. We do like you to join us. Hopefully this information is valuable to you and you can get some things out of it. All of this is located on our YouTube channel. You can go on there, look at any of the past broadcasts that we've had, and you can be able to glean from that information also. All right. So we're going to continue on as this year is winding up. It is winding down. We're going to be in the fourth quarter, if not. Yeah, we're in the fourth quarter right now. So 2024 is, over. It is over. It is time to plan for the next year, which is 2025, and start planning about how you're going to end this year out with a bang, and then start a brand new year next year. So until that time, remember, new time, Mondays. We're doing this on Mondays now, which is great. I'm loving this. And I will see you next week. Bye-bye.
Hi, this is Simon Liang with GrooveAsia.cm. Are you already a part of the #1 community in the world? If not, do so right now for free training and support, along with live sessions to help you succeed. Start now by joining us in our private Facebook group and get more exclusive video content on our YouTube channel. Make sure to like and subscribe with notifications turned on for all updates. Join our community right now. Let me know if you have any questions, and I will see you on the inside at GrooveAsia.cm.